everybody say hello to the pimple that decided to show up today. Alright, on today's episode of I Bought It and Forgot About It is the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze Lipstick Soleil. It's their stick bronzer. Bought it and I was like, oh, I'm gonna review it, and then I just forgot about it. I probably swatched it, looked at it, and then forgot about it. Or got sick. I don't know. This is it. These are supposed to be really, really good. I only got one shade. I got mine, I think I got it either Ulta or Amazon. I don't know. I will tag it below. But I got shade 120 Copper Bronzette. So it's the medium one. I was kind of looking at that like rosy one, whatever. This is the color. So this is supposed to be like a glowy bronzer. So I just have on foundation, and I don't want to forget to tell you what I have on. I have on the MPH Le Skin 130 Olive Medium. That's the color. We're gonna put it on my face. So with products like this, I do like to kind of just put them on the back of my hand, and then I'll put them on with a brush. I will say this is very, very creamy. It did not pull or tug on my skin. And I'm gonna use the e.l.f. stain and tint blending brush. Brushes like this can be your foundation, blush, bronzer brushes. Really get it in there. Oh, that actually smells pretty nice. I don't know what it smells like, but it's very soft. So I'm gonna take it and just start applying. So I believe this comes in about 4 shades. I could be wrong. I went with this one because I wasn't sure. I'm like, I don't want to go too dark, but I also want to go too light. Very pretty, very natural. I was afraid it was going to run a little orangey. I don't do well with bronzers that are orange because it just clashes with my undertone. To my forehead. Really take it into my hairline. It's very like subtle. It's definitely like, it seems like it's buildable, but it's not a super opaque bronzer. This almost reminds me of like the Glotion, but in a stick form, but with a little bit more coverage. It's so creamy. It like melts. Like when you put it on your hand, it like melts. So I do like that. I feel like that's gonna be user friendly. So if you're like, I wanna get into bronzers and cream bronzers, but you don't wanna mess it up, like I feel like you really can't mess this up. This formula is very easy to work with. I wouldn't do one of these and apply it to the face because I don't know how that's gonna mess with my foundation that I have on underneath, and I never trust that. Whenever I see people doing it in videos, I'm like, girl, you're gonna mess up your makeup underneath. Half the time they don't, but I don't trust it. So, very, very nice. Did a really good job of warming up my complexion. I'm gonna take some here. The reason I take bronzer to my neck sometimes is because this never gets any sun, and it's like this will all be all evened out and like kind of bronzy, and then this looks greenish yellow. Love how that kind of blended seamlessly. You really can't see like where the bronzer is, like where it starts or where it finishes, and just with that little application I have a nice kind of defined cheek, a little bit more sculpted. I'm gonna try another layer just to see if we can build it up. Look at, I just want you to see, like, isn't that cool? Very creamy. This is a really nice formula. I hope they come out with something like this, an actual like matte bronzers, but like still hydrating. Cause this isn't really super matte. There's like the tiniest, like, I don't even want to call it shimmer because it's like micro, if anything. Yeah, let's see if we can build you up a bit. That's really pretty. Like I said, I was worried about the color, but I think I did good with the color. There is a pinky tone that I'm kind of curious if I get it. Like, is it gonna look like a nice sort of pretty sun-kissed look? But super nice. Really can't mess this up. God, look at that cheek. Let me get this one a little bit better. And then if you want, just for funsies, whatever's left over on the brush, kind of just walk it along the bottom part here. Super pretty. It does dry down. It doesn't like stay tacky. This looks like juicy and hydrated because I just put it on, but you can tell this side's just starting to set a little bit. The forehead pretty much set. And like I said, I'm going to come in. It doesn't look sparkly. It doesn't really look shimmery. It's super, super like micro. So This is really good. I might go a shade darker just to get a little bit more of like, well, I'm gonna get color, but I think this is perfect for me right now. If we are shade twins or you're in my shade family, 120 Copper Bronzette. Give it a try. Oh, I'm gonna try something real quick. Yes, look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, I think you need to try this. I think you need to try it and tell me if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, requests, leave them down below, and I'll see you in my next one.